Good morning, my dear children. I am here again to give you some work from the subject English 2. So open your English 2 book, page number 48. In the last video, we completed the short poem Tulips. So today we'll do this work. Understanding the poem. Tick the correct words. So there are only two questions, so we have to tick the correct words. Number 1, tulips grow in the option garden, forest. So where do tulips grow? Tulips grow in the garden. So this is the correct answer. We'll tick mark in this. Okay, garden. Question 2, tulips grow straight in a row or bunch. So tulips grow straight in a row or bunch? In a row. So we'll tick mark here, row. Okay. Now next, B, answer this question. We have only one question. So let's see. What do tulips need to grow? What do tulips need to grow? Tulips need rain and sunshine to grow. We'll write rain and sunshine. Okay. According to the poem, as it is mentioned here. Okay. So we'll write here rain and sunshine. R-A-I-N, rain and sunshine. S-U-N-S-H-I-N-E, sunshine. Tulips need rain and sunshine to grow. Now let's see the next work. Listen to these words. Listen to these words. Then circle the word that does not sound like the other words in that line. The first one has been done for you. So listen to these words. Then we have to circle the words that does not sound like the other words in that line. The first one has been done for you. So number 1, there is grow, go, to, now. So grow, go, it sounds similar, no? Grow, go, to, all these three words sound same. Now it sounds different. So the words which sounds different, will circle that word. Okay. Number 1, see, grow, go, to. These three words sound same. Only this now it sounds different. So we will circle in that word. Okay. Number 2, we have cup, up, tap, pup. So which three words sound same? Cup, up, pup. These three words sounds same. Only this tap sounds different. So we'll circle this tap. Okay. It sounds different. Cup, up, pup. These three words are similar. No, these three words sound similar. It is not similar, but it sounds similar. Only this tap, it is not. This tap word does not sound similar to this cup. So we will circle that word. Number 3, one, fun, bone, run. So which three words sound similar? One, fun, run. These three words sound similar. This word, bone, it sounds different. So we'll circle this. Okay. Number 4, straight, late, date, light. So which three words sound similar? Straight, late, date. These three words sound same. Light, this sounds different. So we'll circle this. Okay. The last one we have enjoying the poem. Draw a tulip and a cup in the box. Do you think the flower looks like a cup? Say why. So in this box you will draw a flower, tulip and a cup. Okay, you will draw tulip and cup, and you have to give reason that the flower tulip looks like a cup or not. If the flower tulip looks like a cup, you have to give reason how, and if the flower tulip does not look like a cup, you have to give reason in that also. Okay, so you will draw tulip and a cup, and you have to give reason why the flower look like a cup. Okay, so this is your work for today. First you will do in your book, and I'll send you the notes again to write in your notebook. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.